Welcome to Mako Rowing Solutions. Today I want to introduce our Catchstick Pro version 2. First we'll talk about its features and then we'll compare it to the original version of our Catchstick Pro. The Catchstick Pro is constructed out of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, stainless steel spring, stainless steel pivot point, and a carbon fiber shaft. It features a thumb nut for easy on, easy off design. Loosen the thumb nut, slide it onto the gunnel, tighten the thumb nut again. To remove, loosen the thumb nut, slide it off of the gunnel. The stick itself folds out of the way for storage, folds up for use, and then back down. The carbon fiber shaft doesn't blow around in the wind, doesn't get knocked around with boat check. The spring mount at the base of the carbon fiber shaft allows it to deflect as the rower catches through the stick and always return to zero. We have an indexing notch here at the base. Once this is set on the boat at the position that you want, take a silver Sharpie and mark where that index is. That allows you to remove the Catchstick Pro and reattach it, and be confident that you have the same catch angle set when you put it back on. We also have a lanyard loop here that you can run a heel tie through and tie off to a rigger so that you don't have to worry about these getting knocked into the drink. Now, let's compare that to the original version. The biggest difference you'll notice is on the original version, the sides were indicated by this deboss into the arm. On the new versions, the sides are indicated with these removable plates. This was in response to a limitation that we found in pairs and fours in stroke seat. Because these attach to the gunnels, you can imagine in stroke seat where the rigger attaches, there's not much gunnel past or towards the stern to attach these straws to. For shallower catch angles, it's not a problem, but if you wanted to get deeper and deeper catches, you slid this further and further and further to stern, and eventually you run out of gunnel space. Our response to that was to take what would have been port side only and change the deboss to this removable plate. Now if we take this plate off and flip this around so it's now attaching to the starboard side, we can attach a starboard side plate to that, and you'll see that this is now swept to the stern instead of to the bow. What this allows you to do is, for the same mounting point on the gunnel, get a further catch angle. This design also allows us to work around some of the unique geometries of some boats. Think about the Hudson boats where the riggers attach are wider and the material is thicker on the gunnel. Then it gets narrower and the material gets thinner, and then it gets wider again for the next rigger. If you wanted to mount one of these right on that transition point to get the catch angle that you want, it wouldn't hold on very well. For the same catch angle or the same stick position, you can see that we have a mount that's further to stern or we have a mount that's further to bow. And this allows you to work around some of the unique geometries of these boats. We also made some small tweaks to the quality of life. We changed the geometry of the mount so it holds more securely. And we changed the knurling on the thumb nut itself so you can get a better grip and tighten it down. And that summarizes the main differences between our new Catchstick Pro and the original Catchstick. Thanks for watching.